What is up, guys? So today's a very important day. I'm actually choosing my broker that I'm going to be trading with. Today is actually not the day I chose. I chose a couple weeks, actually like 7-8 weeks back. I'm going to edit the video now, and it turns out the video that I screen recorded didn't screen record properly. So I have to remake it using the original template, thought process, and all that. You can tell because my hair is very long. It's been a while. I've already been in this broker for some time, but that doesn't change the fact that I had a decision to make, and I had a matrix to go along with it to show you how I made that decision. So with that said, I have an Excel sheet to show you that has the brokers I compared and the criteria I had to meet. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so here's the sheet. I have the brokers listed across the top, and then I have the criteria on the side that I wanted to meet. So going through them, I'm looking at Capital Markets Elite Group, or CMEG, Alliance Trader, F1, which is like a sure trader revive, or revamp, not really sure. There's a question there, but these are the rule or criteria I wanted to meet. So one, no PDT rule, minimum balance much less than 5K, because that's what I'm supposed to be starting with. Has demo trading capabilities. That is a must. I want to trade in a demo before I trade with real money. Offers well-known platforms and margins, a good margin, so 4-to-1 at least, or greater than or at least 4-to-1. Low commissions, kind of listing out the fees, like low fees and restrictions, nothing too out of the ordinary. And are they trustworthy and established? So going through in order, I have Capital Markets Elite Group. Now they are out of Trinidad, and it costs $500 minimum balance to open the account. So I'm starting with $5,000. $500 is plenty. I have way more than that, so I'm okay. Has demo trading capabilities. So it turns out when you get a subscription with these guys, you will have a cash account, which is your money, and then you'll have a demo account, which is up to $25,000 in paper trading funds, which is pretty cool. So you would be trading with your demo account to start, and I guess it's as easy as switching the account you want to trade with real money. Well-known platforms. So they offer Sterling Trader Pro for $99 and Dash Trader Pro for $90. And they both have live data with that. So that's a pretty good price compared to what we're seeing over here. But margins 6-to-1 if you have greater than 2,500, which would be my case, or 4-to-1 if you have 2,500 and less. Low commissions. Let me show you those. Here is their website commission rates. So I am in North America. I am most likely trading with less than 1,000 shares per order, and monthly volume I don't expect to exceed that. So I will be paying $395 per trade. With, if I do more than 1,000 shares per order, which probably won't. So that's not terrible. Not awful, but for small accounts, it can be a little painful. So it's okay with commissions. So let's go to the next one. So here's the site that lists all their fees. So again, they have the commission, wiring $60, broker assist trade, margin call, just all the other fees that you'll encounter at some point. Inactivity fee, $50 per quarter. We'll probably hit that because I won't be using real money. There's a definition to that. I gotta find that somewhere. Like what defines inactivity. But that is that. Oh, inactivity fee, $15 per month if less than 3 trades. That is probably going to be me. So other than that, nothing extreme. I mean, a lot of brokers I've seen, the wiring fee is pretty high, kind of obnoxious, but it is what it is. As for the last category, trustworthy and established, I've heard good reviews about them. They have good available software platforms, which is really nice. And they are known to be pricey on commissions. That is one thing I've seen or heard in the community. I've been asking around and doing some research, and these are just the general thoughts I've come to conclude. But moving on to the next one, we have Alliance Trader. Now, Alliance Trader is out of Jamaica, so no PDT rule. If you don't know what the PDT rule is, quick Google search will give you a better definition than I could, but basically if you have under 25,000, you can't make more than 3 day trades in a week, a trading week. So if you make 4, you get like a warning. 5 is, I think something happens to your account, not quite sure. But minimum balance, much less than 5,000. So it's $1,000 to open and 2,000 for a margin account. I am okay for both of those because I'm starting with 5,000. Has demo trading capabilities. Now all I could find was the 2-week demo that they offer. Besides that, I don't know if they have like paper accounts in their platforms. At least I couldn't find anything about it. And the pricing for their Dash Trader Pro is the only platform they offer, and it is $150 a month with no advanced charting, or $200 a month with the advanced charting, and that's like level 2 data. So I don't know to what extent that includes, but I know level 2 is included with that. Margin 4-to-1 if it's greater than 2,000, which would be for the margin account. Commissions. Let's see the commissions on them. So here's their commission layout. Rates apply to stocks above $2. Stocks are priced below $2 are a charge a rate of $4.95 for up to 1,000 shares. Oh, so they got some like little fine print stuff, but you're looking at $4.95 trade, up to 400 units. I like how they call it units. That is a bit pricey. That's a dollar more than Capital Market Elite Group, and much less units required for that, and it's over twice the, I think, ECN fees for the routing fee. Yeah, kind of a high-priced commission if you ask me. So not the best, but we'll go back to the sheet and see what's next. Or I could just tell you what's next. We're going over the other charges and expenses. So here is their sheet. International wiring 70, domestic 35. The asterisk for outgoing wires triggered once, 2-to-1 overnight. Yeah, so nothing out of the ordinary. These are something I would probably get more into after making a choice, because these are fees you won't really encounter that frequently. So the commission's probably the biggest fee. Like your commission will eat away more than any of these would over some time. So they do have, I'd say, like they're average with fees, so nothing too crazy there. But on to the next category. So from Alliance Trader, I couldn't find too much more on them. I've heard that they are a more mature broker, as in they've been around for a while. So it's weird, two kind of contradicting statements, where I couldn't find that much, but apparently they've been around for a while. So a little pricey in my book, so I'm gonna be a little weary on that one. But we still have 2 more. So F1 Trader, or the Sure Trader Revamp or Revive, whatever you wanna. It could be, I'm not sure, but that's kind of a rumor going around. Let's see, that one has no account minimums. So you can open an account with $10. Cool. Demo trading capabilities. They include a demo. Could not find how long. So yeah, they mentioned it, but I don't know to the extent of the demo. So it gets kind of like a yellow box. So it has it, but offers well-known platforms. So they have like a free web-based kind of. I wasn't really sure what that meant. I'm guessing they have their own proprietary stuff that's free online if you use their web browser. But I guess if you use their desktop proprietary software, it is $49 a month plus the $60 for level 2, which comes up to like $110, which is more than these 2 would be. But they have some pretty good margins. 6-to-1 over $1,000, which is probably the most generous out of all of them. And now for the commissions and extra fees. So here are their commissions. It's $1 per trade and 0.5 cents per share, and 0 routing fee. So this is definitely the most attractive commission fee I've seen. That's pretty cheap compared to the others. I don't know if the 0 routing fee also means they're going to have like more lagging trades because of the routes that they decide to go with. Maybe they get paid for using a certain route. Going to be kind of cautious with that and how your speed or your trade speeds will be, but not bad for those. But any other fees and restrictions? So these are probably the cheapest I've seen. Outgoing funds $40, account fee monthly, so $20 if you're under 20 trades. Kind of like an inactivity fee. I see that. Margin or equity call. But yeah, they don't really give you a lot to work with. They just give you a few very attractive statements. So F1 trade, very cheap, not too much info on them, so a little hesitant. But let's go back to the sheet because we have one more. So I did mention that there was one more, but I did realize a while ago, because I made this video originally a while ago, that they do not accept accounts from the US. It is strictly, or it is aimed towards the Canadian folk. So trade zero already is a no-no for me. So that leaves the decision between these three brokers. Now, after thoroughly investigating and wanting to, one, have no PDT rule, open an account with good margin, have decent priced platforms, and that also includes a demo account. But lastly and most importantly, that they are trustworthy and you can trust putting your money there. My choice is Capital Market Elite Group. That is my winner chicken dinner. So with that being said, I am off to go make my account with CMEG. Well, it's been a couple weeks and I already have it. So I guess I can give you a quick review so far. Their customer service, very good. You call them, they answer right away. You email them, they're pretty quick with emails, but calling they get you solved right away. That's just my quick input. I'll probably do a whole review on them later, but at the moment, that is my broker choice. I hope this makes sense because I laid this matrix out that has criteria based on me and what I desire, right? So if you desire something else, your criteria may be different, which means another one of these brokers may be better for you. Who knows? So I hope this gives you insight on how you could choose yours. This is how I chose mine. It is specific to me, meets my needs, and so far so good. I like the broker. So CMEG gets a thumbs up. But then again, I am still not anywhere near experienced as other traders. So my opinion is, take it with a grain of salt. I'm still fresh. I'm new to this. At the moment, as of now, that is my opinion. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you liked it. Please thumbs up, subscribe, all the good stuff, and stay tuned because we are on this journey together, and I'm not going to stop until I'm profitable. I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. I'm Dylon Da Silva. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to stay up to date on all new content every week. You guys have a good one.